Margaret Nduta Macharia, a 37 years old Kenyan from Murang'a County, was arrested in July 2023 at Ho Chi Minh City Airport, Vietnam, after authorities discovered over 2 kilograms of cocaine concealed in her suitcase. She claimed ignorance of the drugs and stating that an agent had given her the bag without her knowledge of its contents. Subsequently, on March 6, 2025, the People's Court in Ho Chi Minh City sentenced her to death, reflecting Vietnam's stringent stance on drug-related offenses. Recently, developments have revealed that Nduta had previously been imprisoned in Ghana for a similar offense. A fellow Kenyan inmate currently incarcerated in Hong Kong claimed they were jailed together in Ghana and that Nigeria drug syndicates coerced them into smuggling drugs under threats to their families. These inmates asserted that after their release, the syndicates continued to exert pressure, leading to Nduta's subsequent arrest in Vietnam. The Kenyan government has been actively seeking clemency for Nduta. Foreign Affairs Principal Secretary Coril Singoi engaged in discussions with Vietnam's Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs, Nguyen Minh Hang, expressing the Kenyan people's concern and requesting a stay of execution to explore possible resolutions. Additionally, Kenya's embassy in Bangkok, which oversees Vietnam, is closely monitoring the situation. Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi acknowledged the gravity of Nduta's situation, emphasizing the government's efforts to prevent her execution. He also highlighted that over 1,000 Kenyans are incarcerated abroad for various offenses, urging citizens to be vigilant and adhere to foreign laws to avoid severe penalties. Nduta's family maintains her innocence, asserting that she was unaware of the drugs in her possession and was manipulated by traffickers. They have appealed to the Kenyan government for intervention, hoping to bring her back home safely. As of now, Nduta's fate remains uncertain, with the diplomatic efforts ongoing to secure clemency and prevent her execution. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please remember to subscribe so that you may get the latest news. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you and welcome.